Hello and welcome. I am Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. देसी है तो सब सही है. I am here with you from सात समुंदर पार, meaning across 7 seas. That's how we say it in India. I'm in Mumbai, you are in the United States, at your home, and I'm going to show you something sweet, something simple, made with yogurt. It is baked yogurt and that's sweet. I'm doing this from my house in Mumbai. It's very quiet. Everything is quiet, which is not too bad because we normally don't have this kind of luxury when things are so quiet. We have so much time to ourselves. In these times, we need to get together as a family and cook together. So let's go right into the recipe. The recipe's name is Bhapa Doi. So here I have yogurt. In cooking, ratios are very important. Like if you are cooking rice, 1 part rice, 2 parts of water. For Bhapa Doi, it's equal parts of yogurt, milk and condensed milk. So 1 part yogurt, 1 part milk and 1 part condensed milk. And that's it. No other ingredient. Just mix all these ingredients and now we need to steam this. Condensed milk is very sweet. So to correct that sweetness and to get the right consistency, you add milk and yogurt. If you find any bubbles, if you find any lumps, make sure you pass it through a cheesecloth. We want it to be nice and smooth, no bubbles. I have these small clay pots. They are glazed clay pots. Actually, for setting of yogurt at home, we used to use these kind of small clay pots. So this mixture of yogurt, milk and condensed milk. Here I have used Desi Dahi, which is free from artificial preservatives. It's healthy, it's creamy, it's thick, it's home style, made from high quality ingredients. And now we need to cook this, and for cooking we need to steam this, and I'm going to steam this in a pan here. Take aluminium foil and cover this. We need to do this because whenever you are steaming, we will put a lid on, and because of condensation the water can come on to our Bhapa Doi. We don't want that. So that's why we need to cover this. We need to cook this in indirect heat, otherwise the texture would not be very good. Lid on. We'll cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. In this time, it'll start to set like custard does. There's no setting agent, there is no cornstarch, there is no egg. Yet this combination of yogurt, milk and condensed milk sets like yogurt. You can cut through. It feels like custard. It's nice and sweet. It's a version of yogurt that you may not have tasted before. But what you can also do is, once it's ready, you can have it while it's nice and warm, or you can chill it. Put it in refrigerator for about an hour and then eat it. You can put some sugar on top, and you can use a blowtorch and give a creme brulee crust kind of a feel, and that's also very unique, very different. You can put some fresh fruit puree on it and have it, or just have it like this. It tastes so good. Or you could garnish it with some nuts. Like I have some pistachios and almonds, some blanched pistachios. Skin has been taken out and I'm going to slice them. If you're cooking this in oven, make sure that you put some water in the tray, and then oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Leave it for some time before taking it out. It takes time to set. If you feel that it's still too wobbly, cook for about 5 to 10 minutes more. But on direct heat with water in a pan, it should be done in under 20 minutes. But make sure that water is not boiling hot. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat. It has to be cooked at medium heat. keep that in mind. Garnish with the pistachios, almonds, whatever that you want. Actually, just by itself, also it's divine. Desi hai, to sab sahi hai. For more simple recipes, go to desifreshfoods.com.